How you doing? This is Romeo the Professor. How you doing? So the market's been moving. You see Matic 11%, Ethereum Classic 38%. Now you see here where I have BUSD token. That's a stable token. I have 14,000 there. I've left it there. And if you can see, you see I have Tether USD. I have 5,000. That's a stable coin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send about 5,000 BNB into this BUSD token. Okay. So, because I want to stabilize. So I'm going to send 5,000 BNB. So to send 5,000 BNB, that'll be about 18 BNB. So I got BNB right here. That's Smart Chain BNB, 0.6. So I have to change it to BNB and flip it. It didn't load. Hold on. Let me go back out. Let's see what's going on. BNB here. Oh, I cannot touch it because it's staked. I staked 35, so I'm going to leave the staking. Sorry, I cannot touch that BNB. I'm going to leave the staking. So you see I staked it. Let me show you something else also since I'm here. If I go to D-Apps and I click on Pancakeswap, okay, and you will see that I also have staked. It's loading, automatic restaking. Let me go to the pools right there. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, that's the pool. So it's loaded up. So what I want to show you is so far I've staked cake right here. It's at 106.77 and APY. I've made over $1,000 so far. That's the profit, and I have 18,000 in it right here. As it goes up, I'm making more money, and it's giving me 106.77% on it. Okay, so right there I have about $20,000. Okay, so once your coins are going up, you want to put it in BUSD token right here. This is for Binance. That's a stable coin, meaning if the market going down, this 14,000 will always be there. If it's going up, will always be there. These are what I call if you have to pay your bills, okay? And you have Tether USD here too. My name is Romeo the Professor. Subscribe and share. This is the Trust Wallet.